The boss got angry at me again for the drawing review. He said this can't be processed. If the drawing can't be processed, meviy tells you? What? For free? And it's usable right on the web? That's awesome. The boss got angry at me again for the drawing review. He said this can't be processed, but I've never done processing myself. Guess I just have to learn it myself.
Oh, Mike, nice to meet you. I'm Rob.
Oh, Rob, nice to meet you. I'm Mike.
You seem stressed out. Is everything okay?
Well, my boss got angry at me again during the drawing review.
I've been studying with a free service from MISUMI called meviy.
Meviy? What's that? Let me look it up. Meviy? This?
That's the one. meviy provides instant quotes when you upload 3D CAD data. It also tells you right away if the drawing can be processed or not.
I see. If the drawing can't be processed, meviy tells you?
Exactly. So, before I submit any drawings to the boss, I have them checked by meviy first.
Wow, I wish I knew about this sooner. I'm gonna use it right away. How do I start?
If you have a free MISUMI account, you don't need to download any software.
Wow.
Just press the Start Now button and log in with your MISUMI account.
What? For free? And it's usable right on the web? That's awesome.
With meviy, your boss won't get angry at you anymore. Feel free to ask me anything about how to use meviy.
Wow, this is a lifesaver. If there's anything I don't understand about using meviy, I'd like you to teach me. Can I call you Rob?
Yeah, anytime.